In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate on notes in Zoho Notebook. We'll cover private sharing, organization-wide access, public links, and how to manage what's shared with you so teamwork stays clear and controlled. To share a note privately, open the note you want to send. On the Notes toolbar, tap or click the Add User icon and choose Add Members. Enter the person's email address or mobile number, pick them from the suggestions, and share. Before sending, choose the access level. View if they only need to read, or edit if they should contribute. The recipient gets an email with a direct link that opens the note in Zoho Notebook. If you grant edit access, remember only one person can edit at a time. While someone is editing, others must wait. The edit lock releases after roughly 15 minutes of inactivity. To avoid delays, coordinate handoffs or add quick comments when you're done. To see notes others have shared with you, open Zoho Notebook and go to Shared with Me. Everything sent to you appears there. Open any note to read it and tap the user icon on that note to see who shared it and who else has access. If you're part of a Zoho organization, you can reach everyone at once. Open the note, choose Share with Organization, and confirm. Anyone in your organization can view it from the app or via the link, which is ideal for team policies, meeting notes, or onboarding info. To make a note public, open it, tap Share, and select Public Shareable Link. Copy the link and send it anywhere. No Zoho account required to view. You can optionally set an expiration date so access ends automatically when you no longer want the note available. Stopping or adjusting sharing is simple. If a note was shared with you and you don't need it, open it from Shared with Me, open the menu, and choose Unshare. If you shared a note and want to remove someone, open the note, go to Add User, and delete that person. Finally, note the limits. Up to 50 private users per shared note, up to 50 organization notes per organization, a maximum of 500 notes you can share privately, and up to 250 notes you can receive. That's all you need to collaborate confidently in Zoho Notebook.